Good evening, students. Students, do you know that there are various systems in our body like the nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system, skeletal system, etc.? Today, we will be going to discuss one such important system, that is the skeletal system, in chapter 4, our body. Okay, now we are going to start with the skeletal system. The skeletal system is a rigid framework of bones that serves many important functions. Skeletal system to eta মজবুত framework of bones. Bonesor framework hoy jitu amar bahut mane kaam die bahut function important function ase. It provides support, shape and strength to the body. Our skeletal system e amak ki provide kore, support die, shape aru support die. It also protects the internal organs and also helps in the movement of body parts. Our bhitori organ brok ki kore protect kore aru amar organ aru ki kore help kore movement of hat bhori ami move koribole amak help kore. Next line you see, there are 206 bones in an adult human body. Our adult human body ki thake keda bones thake 206 bones. Underline the important line. Next you see, the skeletal system comprises of the skull, backbone, rib cage and limbs. Also underline this line. The skeletal system comprises of the skull, backbone, ribcage and limbs. Now you see skull. The skull is the bony framework of the head. কি কৈছে skull to এটা হাড়ৰ framework হয়. It protects the brain. Our brain to protect কৰে, ৰক্ষা কৰে. The skull consists of 8 cranial and 14 facial bones, thus making a total of 22 bones. Our skull to ki consist kore 8 cranial bones. Cranial to hoise muror pasfale to cranial bones and 14 facial bones. Aru facial bones to hoise mukhon akfale jitu facial. The cranial bones make up a protective frame around the brain. Our cranial bones ki kore amar brain to protect kori rakhe, cover kore or protect kore. The facial bones make the upper and lower jaws and other facial structure. Our facial bones e upper or lower jaws, dator upor to upper jaw koy aru tolor pari to lower jaw koy. Our a facial bones kita ki kore make the upper and lower jaws and other facial structure. Our other facial structure hoise amar cheekbone, nose bone. Next you see, except the lower jaw, all other bones in the skull are fixed and hence immovable. Aru amar lower jaw to move kori thake kintu uporor upper jaw to fixed hoi thake hoy na okol amar sabason lower jaw to move kori thake ibur sob fixed hoi thake. We are able to talk and eat because of the movable lower jaw. Aru ami kotha patu aru khabo paru kiho karone lower jaw to move kori thake karone amar ami khabo paru aru kotha patibo paru. Next you see the backbone. The backbone is also known as the vertebral column or the spine. Our backbone to ki hoy amar vertebral column or spine buli koy. It consists of 33 irregularly shaped bones called the vertebrae. Aru a backbone tut ki ase 33 ta tukura tukur bone ase jitu vertebrae buli koy. Aru backbone tu hoise amar rajhardal. These bones make a strong framework which protects the spinal cord. Aru a bones ketae amar eta strong framework hoy, jeneke skull to head or framework hoy teneke a bones keta vertebrae bones keta spinal cord or framework ji spinal cord dalok protect kori rakhe. The vertebral column enables us to stand upright and maintain our balance. Aru a vertebral column dare rajhardale amak ki kore stand upright aru amak upright ke stand koribole aru balance to maintain koribole help kore. Okay, now please note that Our nervous system has two parts, the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system is the brain, peripheral nervous system is the spinal cord. Aru ei spinal cord the vertebral column protect kori rakhe. Next you see rib cage. Ribs are thin, flat and curved bones. They form a protective cage around the heart and the lungs called the rib cage. Ribs bur ki hoy thin, খুব ক্ষীণ ফ্লেট মানে চেপেটা আৰু কাৰ্ভ অকমান কাৰ্ভ বোনছ হয় দে ফৰ্ম এ প্ৰটেক্টিভ কেজ এৰাউণ্ড দ্য হাৰ্ট আৰু সিহঁতি হাৰ্ট আৰু লাংছৰ এৰাউণ্ডত চাৰিওফালে প্ৰটেক্টিভ কেজৰ নিচিনাকৈ ফৰ্ম হৈ থাকে তাৰপিছত নেক্সট ইউ চি দ্য ৰিব কেজ consists of 24 bones arranged in 12 pairs of ribs. Rib cage 24 bones arranged hoi thake 12 ta pair. Next line you see the ribs are joined to the breastbone or the sternum in the front and to the backbone at the back. Ribs to kihor logot join hoi thake bukur major ar hardalot jitu sternum buli koi frontot bukur frontot join hoi thake ar and to the backbone at the back aru backot rajhardar logot join hoi thake. Next see apart from protecting the heart and the lungs the ribs also protect parts of the stomach spleen and kidneys aru heart aru lungs ok protect kora bahiro hioti ribs e ki kore amar stomach spleen and kidneys ok protect kore. All of you understood? Now in the bracket you see knowledge bank. The last two pairs of ribs are smaller than the rest of the pairs and are only attached to the backbone. They are called the floating lips. Just underline this line. Okay, this one is the knowledge bank. Now I am showing one structure of rib cage. You see the structure of rib cage in the front bone that is attached between what? Between the chest, isn't it? You see the front bone is called the sternum and the backbone you see in down that is the rib cage is attached to the backbone. Now students you do one thing, you draw the skeletal system in your classwork copy.